Good day everyone, this is Rodaline, your Kawais Peso or Kawais Peso. And for today, i-discuss ko sa inyo yung tinatawag nating eye care, ER Care Basic 50. So this is outpatient emergency care for accident. Just to inform you, accident. Okay? Now, let's focus here. ER Care Basic 50 is prepaid health plan po that has giving you a 50,000 worth of hospital coverage for emergency cases due to anong cause? Accident. Again, accident. It is include ER coverage, doctor's fee, laboratory, and other procedure underlying for that accident po. So this plan is for adults na 18 years old to 64 years old, and these are the sample list of covered cases. Again, this is during for accident po, halimbawa bumagsak. Okay? Bumagsak si patient, nagkaroon siya ng hiwa sa kamay niya, pagkabagsak niya, yun po yung gagamutin. Kasi po, exclude po yung mismong sakit na stroke. Naintindihan? Yung stroke po, hindi siya covered. Pero due to the accident ng pagkabagsak at nagkaroon ng damage yung kanyang balat or open wounds, ganun po, tatahiin, and so on, are covered. Now, new fracture, ayan, bali po, new burns, new animal bites, including the first dose of vaccine po ha, new cuts, needing a suture. Ibig po sabihin, naging nga po, nagkaroon nga ng bagsak, nagkaroon ng suture o yung open wound, nagkaroon ng hiwa, ayan po, tatahiin po siya from the word suture. Sports injuries causing for a contact, non-contact sports, excluding po dito yung professional sports and high-risk sports. Iba na po yun. Accidental chemical poisoning, that's included po. Now, where to use? ER Care Basic 50 can be used in more than 500 eye care health accredited hospitals natin, including or excluding po rito rather yung top 6 hospital. These are the top 6 po Hindi po ninyo dadalhin ang patient kapag ito yung plan ninyo na binili dito sa mga hospital na to. Kasi kumbaga sa hotel may 5-star tayo, ito rin sa hospital meron tayong high-end top of hospital. Mauubos kagad kasi yung 50,000 ninyo dito kapag ito ay in-impart natin. Again, wag niyo pong dadalhin ito. Asian Hospital and Medical Center, Cardinal Santos Medical Center, Makati Medical Center, St. Luke's sa QC and sa BGC and the Medical City. Again, exclude po yan dyan. But other than that, meron tayong iba pong hospital accredited under eye care, pwede nyo po yung dalhin. And we will give you the list po. Or you can send me an email, message via Viber and WhatsApp for you to understand what are those hospital para prepare ahead po tayo in case of. Now, how you will use your prepaid health plan. Go to the accredited hospital na bibigay po namin sa inyo. Present your e-voucher o government ID with your IHC na mas-receive nyo po sa inyong email. Okay? Now, after that, you will receiving a treatment according to your ER doctor's assessment. And after that, if there will be more than 50K, 50,000, ma-covered po kayo with that amount lang po. Pero kapag more than po dyan, you will be shorter to that out-pocket money. Ito, it is just 700 pesos. An exchange of how much yung coverage? 50,000. Okay? So, yun po ang kinagandahan having this plan. Meron po kayong insurability na may magko-cover ng emergency care ninyo due to the accident about of 50,000 po. And just for amounting 700. Okay? Now, let's proceed. So, value for money health plan for emergencies e-care basic provides a 50,000 worth of outpatient na po, nabanggit ko nga sa inyo. And this is treatment for emergency cases accident lang po. Okay. Now, doctor's fee, nabanggit ko na po kanina tong lahat, basta covered po yon within the 50,000. Okay. Now, again, lahat po na-inform ko sa inyo kanina, ito rin po yon. Alright? Alright. So, emergency shall be means the sudden, unexpected, and onset illness injury having a potential causing for immediate disability or death. It is required for you to be sending the patient immediately immediately to assess and give the patient an immediate aid po. Alright? So, balik po tayo sa pinaka-page ng ating eye care ha. Kasi lahat po ito na pinapakita sa inyo is under 4A eye care natin. Okay? Official po ito. Now, let's consider this one. So, what is, sabihin natin, what is the mainly concern for the accident? Ano ba yung pinaka-concern of accident? So, nabanggit ko na po yung discuss regarding sa emergency, what is the emergency, and then, hindi mapindot yung accident. Ayan, accident shall be means of visible external sudden and violent event occasional by physical or natural cause, occurring entirely beyond the member's control, causing damage to the health of the member. So, yun ngayon po nabanggit ko sa inyo, these are the fractures, new burns, ayan, animal bite, new po hindi po matagal like 2 days ago. Should be under the 24 hours po yun na nangyari. And cuts that is needing a what? Ito po, tatahiin. Okay? So, how you will register your basic 50 voucher? Voucher po siya or prepaid, we call this one. So, upon registration, i-click nyo po yan and you must register the plan under the name of the patient. So, this should be done within 90 days or else, yung iyong plan na binili, permanently, hindi mo na siya ma-registered at hindi mo na siya magagamit. So, when can I start using the ER Care Basic? You will may start it after activated or activation 10 days prior. So, ibig sabihin, kung today is March 24, 2026, add lang kayo ng 10 days. So, wala naman tayong 30-31. Oh, that's causing a 34. So, ang days lang natin is 31 to this month. 'Di ba? So, yung 3 days pa i-add natin sa April. Kasi, April 1, 2, and 3. So, magagamit mo siya ng April 3. Okay? So, nag-purchase ka again. Nga po ulit March 24 today. Nag-purchase ka. May prior ka lang na 10 days para mag-waiting lang tayo before you use your plan. Yung IHC plan mo na to na 50 basic. Okay? After 10 days, pwede mo na siyang gamitin on April 3. Okay? Gets po? Ayan. Put a comment sa baba po kung meron po kayong question ha. Huwag mahihiya magtanong. Okay. Alright. Now, what is the availment process of this plan? Ano ba yung availment process? In case of emergency, go to the iCare accredited hospital natin and present your iCare voucher. Marireceive po ninyo yan sa email natin and you will need to show a government issued ID para malaman lang po na kung sino yung patient nandun sa voucher and then regarding on that, mapapaprocess natin yung government ID and then the iCare accredited ID. If that's so, if your case is covered na po, okay na po siya, the same person of the patients and the ID that you will be showing, okay na po yun. Okay? Wala na pong other problem on that. Now, yung hospitalization will be covered by your e-voucher up to benefit limited indicated. So, how much is that? Again, that's 50,000 po. Alright? Now, can I register someone else to use the plan? Yes. Kung kayo po halimbawa ay bumili ng plan for your mom, ayan po pwede po yun ha. Screenshot ko lang po. Ayan po, let's show this. Now, ang bumili is si son, anak. Naming Juan. Ang gusto niya, since nasa abroad siya, OFW siya, gusto niya yung mother niya ang gagamit ng plan. Now, upon registration, nabanggit ko nga sa inyo kanina, register, may registration yan, ilagay niyo po yung kagamit na tao. So, let's say si mother po, pangalan is Juanita de la Cruz. Si Juanita ang ire-register na pangalan ni Juan. Okay. Si Mami Juanita ang ire-register ninyo na plan, naming for her birth date, full name, home address ni Mami, email address, pwede po kay son kung wala namang email address si mother, and mobile number ni Mami. Of course, meron naman for sure mobile number si mother, no? Dito sa Philippines. So, that's way around na pwede pong gamitin. And vice versa, kung si mother naman ng OFW, o kaya nasa ibang lugar siya, or meron na rin siya na plan, halimbawa, si mother ay nasa Luzon, at ang anak ay nasa Visayas. Tapos, gusto niya pong i-cover yung anak niya, pwede rin po vice versa. Alright? Basta lang po, ang i-register na pangalan is yung patient na gagamit po ng plan. Alright? Okay. Now, if the benefit limit is not fully consumed, can I use the health voucher again in the future? Just to inform ninyo, this means po, consuming or not consuming the 50,000 will be not valid again to use. Kasi sasabihin nung ibang patient, ay hindi ko naman nagamit yung 50,000. Nag-covered lang po yung ER namin ng again. Nabanggit ko na po yun kanina. Example nga po, 50K po kasi ang coverage nito. So, halimbawa nga po, nag-cover siya ng 45K na ER po due to the accident. Motor. Ayan, motor. Tapos, i-presume niya na may 50 or 5K pa siya na remaining 5,000 kasi hindi niya pa na fully consume the 50K. Hindi na po. Ano na. Wala na po yun. One time use lang po siya. Alright? Ganun po yun ha. So, can I use my voucher in other hospital not provided on the list? iCare has a provided hospital members. So, the importance of no hassle is that i-cover natin siya dun sa list provided list natin. Kasi hindi siya talaga iti-take manage. Sabihin natin hindi kasi siya member of that hospital. And ang sinasabihan naman na po namin kayo, apprehend na or upright now, na wag niyo po silang dadalhin doon. Dalhin nyo lang po again sila sa mga hospital na accredited natin. Kaya po, automatically, once you buy this plan, ask me or send me a message to give you the list lang ng emergency para alam nyo na kung saan. Kasi ayoko rin pong sabihin ninyo sa akin na nagkulang ako ng pagpapaalala. Kasi right now, on the spot, as you watching this video, ini-inform ko na po kayo na let's do not do yung dadalhin sila sa hindi nating accredited hospital. Alright? So, can I use my PhilHealth for extra coverage? Just to inform ninyo, no PhilHealth coverage is required only when confinement is required. Just to inform ninyo, ganito po talaga ang proseso. Kapag na-ER po, ganun po siya. And let's say, kapag na-confine naman siya from ER to confinement, saka lang po magkakaroon ng deduction from PhilHealth. Alright? Naiintindihan po? Ganun po yan siya. Privilege na po ng mga PhilHealth member na kapag na-confine na po, saka po tayo magkakaroon ng deduction. What conditions are not covered by the ER Care Basics? So, non-emergency pre-existing conditions. Kung meron na pong diabetes, nagkaroon ng problem of something cause of diabetes, hindi nga po siya accident cause. So, ibig po sabihin, hindi siya makakover nito kasi ang prior lang po ng ER Care Basic 50 is for what? Yes, for accident only. Okay. So, congenital and maternity-related conditions are not covered po ng ER Care Basic natin. Okay? Illnesses or condition is considered a pre-existing prior to effective date of coverage. Just to inform ninyo, yung mga self-inflicted injuries, injuries from professional sports and high-risk sports injuries or illnesses due to the military, alam nyo na po yan, hindi natin yan covered, yung mga high-risk activities. Okay? Ini-inform ko na po kayo, kaya pag-isipan ninyo bago po kayo bibili ng plan nito. Alright. So, again, if you have any questions considering this plan po, okay, yung payment options natin, we have this one, credit card, straight payment, and the installment payment through your credit card na po yun. So, nakita nyo naman 0% for installment payment under by the iCare. Over-the-counter payment, you could do that, and the GCash payment also. Okay, so other than that, let me know kung ano po yung questions ninyo and how you will avail it. I will help you to avail this plan. Okay? Thank you.
Living life every day